Namaste friends, welcome back to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a classic granny rectangle and how to develop this rectangle. It's a very simple method. We need to increase in the 4 corners. So to begin with, we need to begin with 12 chains. So let us make 12 chains first and then we will be working in the round. Having made 12 chains, in the fourth chain from the hook, 1 2 3 fourth chain from the hook, make 2 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. So this is 2 corners made now. Okay, and then chain 2, skip 2 and place 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 chains. One in each. Chain 2, skip 2, skip 2, make 3 double crochets, all in the same chain, chain 2, 3 doubles again in the same chain, chain 2, three doubles again in the same chain. Now pull this tight. 1 minute. Now we need to work on the other side. Chain 2, 1 DC each on the other side of the DCs made here. Sorry, I've slipped a stitch. So in this. So the first rectangle is made. Chain 2, and slip stitch and join to the third chain. This is the third chain. Pick up underneath this. Now you can chain 3, here I have chained 2 here, and if I want to fasten off and change the color, I can slip stitch, join and fasten off. Otherwise, chain 1 and make a single crochet in the third chain so that you bring it to the center of the chain. Chain 3, 2 double crochets, chain 2. This is the first corner we are going to work, so we are going to have 3 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles, 3 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles, again chain 2, 3 doubles. This is another corner, 3 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles, so 2 corners done, first, second done. Now chain 2, 3 doubles under the next chain 2 space, chain 2, 3 doubles under the next chain 2 space, so it is throughout chain 2 spacing. We have come to the next corner, chain 2, 3 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles, chain 2, again 3 doubles in the next corner, chain 2, 3 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles, if you're going to change the color, chain 2, slip stitch and join, else chain 1 and a single crochet in the third chain of the first 3 chains. So 1, 2 and here. Insert under this both the loops, yeah, so that you bring the yarn to the center of this chain, and again chain 3 in all chain 2 spaces, in the corners 3 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles. All the 3 doubles are separated by chain 2 spaces. This is how it will look. So round after round you will be working. In the corners you will be working 3 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles, and elsewhere chain 2, 3 doubles under every chain 2 space. So when you join, come to the end and join. If you want to change the color, you can slip stitch and join and fasten off. Change the color by joining into under any chain 2 space. Else you can join as I showed you, chain 1 and a single crochet, so that you bring the yarn to the center of the chain 2 space and proceed further. So this is how it is done. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please do share your feedback in the comments section. Please do subscribe to the Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you will be notified of the new videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share our videos too. I shall thank you once again. Bye for now. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Have a great day friends.